I am Roweno Garcia, a first-year student, and I proudly represent from Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System. Accounting encompasses a broad range of research areas and many of us find it successful and difficult. Yet, accounting may be one of the solutions of our society's problems, and of course, this field offers a range of interesting career choices. Life has got all those twists and turns that choice holds upon you. And one thing I want to tell you to bear in your mind, never say I quit. Thank you and God bless you all.